What's going down here today, guys? It's your boy Vland, back at it again with another vlog. So today we're gonna go to Shane's house and meet up with Ralph and Shane because they're switching headlights back, and Ralph's gonna be install his new headlights on his Evo. So we're gonna go over there and check that out real fast. But before we go, I'm gonna let you guys get an update of the S2000 and see why I'm not really filming it and what's been going down with it. So here it is right now. This is where the S2000 has been sitting. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it right now besides no oil. That's literally the only thing I'm waiting on is oil. Oh yeah, I was charging my street bike, but besides that, I just gotta connect that back up and put the belts on and put oil in the car. The car's literally been sitting for about 2 to 3 weeks just for oil. I don't know why. I just gotta go buy it. Maybe I'll buy it this weekend and get the car rolling. But until then, I'll be driving Evo. So, I mean, there's really nothing wrong with driving an Evo.
Start the spring season right with Big Lawn and Garden.
Alright guys, for real now, off to Shane's house we go. Boom, so here we are guys, pulled up to Shane's house and look what we already have here. Hey, 1 Evo, 2 Evo, 3 Evo, hey, Range Rover number 1, Range Rover number 2. Man, come on, you guys gotta get with the program over here.
Right. Hey, so when you buy an extension that's 2 feet long and you find dumb reasons to use it.
What's going on here?
That's the longest.
Hey, we gotta make that money's worth, baby.
Holy crap. How's it going, Ralph?
Good, man. How are you?
My bad, Shane. How's it going?
What's up, bro?
Just chilling, man. Hold up. You guys are crazy.
That's fire.
So as you guys know, I obviously did a review on Shane's car. I did a review on Ralph's car.
You didn't even do a review on your own car.
If this video gets at least 100 likes, let's just put it at 100. If I get 100 likes, I'll do a review on my own car, all right? I'm pretty sure that's the only way I'm gonna do a review on my car is if this video gets 100. Alrighty guys, so we're here in Shane's garage. He said he wanted to show me something in his engine bay, so I'm gonna show you guys also. He wants the light to go out, guys. Alright guys, you can't see me for sure, but I'm pretty sure you can hear me. I'm gonna show you what Shane wanted to show me in the engine bay. The light never went out, as you can see over there, so we threw a rag over it. But what's up, Shane? What did you want to show me? The inside of your car, your light in the interior? What's your one seat? Yeah, Shane also only running one seat in here, so.
It's a dad race car, only 1 seat, because the baby and the wife can sit in the back and they can.
Pop the hood. Check that out, guys.
I don't have both the lights in right now.
That's that killer glass I was telling you guys about.
Yeah, I don't have this light in. I still need to get that one in. It looks crazy on the camera compared to in person.
Yeah. Guys, if you ever catch him at a show, ask him to turn his light on. Don't let him tell you no. Just saying. That's pretty cool. Oh, there goes red. There's green again. Don't worry, guys. S2000 will have this soon. Soon, I tell you.
They change colors.
Look, there's blue.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah. Sorry, Ralph. Sorry that we left you out, you know. No hard feelings.
Good, bro.
So, these are what Shane is running on his car.
You can turn it on.
Ralph was just borrowing these headlights. He picked up new ones, and he's gonna install them while Shane put these ones back on his car, because he's missing some.
Some stuff.
Missing a lot of stuff, man.
Just a little bit of stuff.
Dude, you're like center of attention on these cameras, bro. Like, you looked coolant last time. How did that go?
Tastes amazing.
Amazing. Did you have a cup of it last time?
Yeah, it was delicious. I was well hydrated after that. I was nice and cool.
I bet. Hard man at work right there. Just in case you guys aren't subscribed and you didn't watch my last video of Shane's car, this is his engine bay right here. This is the killer glass. This is radiator hose, guys. He told me he had his back wheels mounted, so I'll show you guys what those look like. Check those out. Woo-wee! Clean. Alrighty guys, so just in case you missed it, I do have a review on Ralph's car and on Shane's car on my channel. So if you guys want to see the details and the builds of their car, go check them out. Go look on my page, subscribe also, and go watch their videos. Are you gonna start up again? This is for the people who missed it on the last vlog, you know, because you guys are new subscribers. That's what I'm gonna call you. I'm not gonna say you guys aren't subscribed. I'm gonna say you guys are new subscribers. Alright guys, take a quick guess. Comment down below who you think is faster. I'm not gonna tell you what our horsepower is. You guys can watch the video and I guess make a guess at it. But if you think Shane is faster, comment Shane. If you think Ralph is the fastest, comment Ralph. And if you think I'm the fastest, comment my name. So comment down below who you think is faster. Alrighty guys, who do you think looks faster? Ralph? Me? Or Shane? Matter of fact, Shane's not going nowhere fast because, you know, he's kind of on jacks right now. But trust and believe, he is dying to drive his car. Boom. Bumper is off. Apparently that's the easiest way to take the headlights off is by taking the front bumper off. So, Shane's headlights compared to his new headlights. I won't show you guys all the way until the headlights get completely in and they're on and working. Holy crap guys, that took forever. It legit took about 15 minutes, I lied. But they're mounting it up with just one bolt into his headlight so we can see if it turns on. So hopefully it works. Alrighty guys, here it goes. Let's see what these headlights look like. Oh. Do those remind you of anything, guys? Whose car do they look like? Hey! Boom. Oh shit, sorry guys. Sorry if that hurt your eyes. I do apologize. Hurt your eyes, apologize. Check that out. That's fucking dope, guys. Does the other one work? Hey, they both work. Damn guys, you guys make me jealous. Look at my headlights. You know, the little normal ones. You guys make me want to go get some aftermarket headlights. Hey, you guys got the same headlights.
Yeah, you're good.
What do you guys think? You guys think I should get these headlights too? You know, all three of us have it. The three amigos. Holy crap. Hours later, it's only bright because Shane turned the light on. It's really dark outside right now. It's quite foggy. But we took his headlights out because the ballast on the inside was moving around. So we took some 3M tape, well, double-sided 3M tape that comes with the kit. And we put it in there. So now it's back to installing it and his LEDs should work. So once that gets installed, we'll show you guys what it looks like, all right? It's pretty clean, Ralph. Just letting you know, man. I'm digging it. Change to green now.
Light green. Look at this. Like I can pick any color I want.
That's pretty dope.
That's wild. We're just chilling.
Really can't stop admiring that though.
Yeah, I'll be up late.
See? I don't have to do nothing, man. I put my phone here, put my phone away, and it will change the automatic color right there.
Nah, you're good.
If you guys think his headlights are dope, please give this video a like. Just drop a like. It's just one click away. Drop that like, man. Also, don't forget those likes will go towards my review of my car. So like I said, if it gets 100 likes on this video, I will do a review on my car. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's vlog. You guys got to see Ralph's car. You guys got to see Shane's car. Ralph got his new headlights in. But that's gonna be it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm Levon, and I'm out of here.
In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up, and I shoot that up.